Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians, Pat of Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the likes, the views, the comments, and support in the last video. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate all my subscribers and viewers alike. So, as you can tell by the thumbnail, this is going to be the group build announcement for my second annual off-road group build 2025. So this is going to be running from June 1st to the end of December like it was last year. I wanted to get this video out earlier, but I totally spaced it out. Been busy with the little one and with the wife starting a new job. We're still getting used to the new schedule. So anyways, I totally forgot. So the rules: off-road. It's got to be an off-road. Anything that goes off-road, so it doesn't have to be dedicated off-road. It can be just like a pickup. It goes off-road, right? Anything racing that's off-road, you know, WRC, box stock, you can add aftermarket. You can wire it up, do whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter, just as long as it goes off-road. So yeah, like I said, June 1st to the end of December. I'm gonna ask you guys hashtag off-road GB25 so I can kind of keep up with the playlist like I did last year. So last year I did, I think, mid-January, I gave everybody a little bit of time to send me photos of their completed builds, and that was this video here. You can check out, I'll leave a link in the description for that one if you want to go check that out. I think we had about 12 people participate. That was awesome. I really appreciate the support and the participation last year. So hopefully this year we can have a few more people come in and have a little fun with some off-road group build. So yeah, like I said, no real rules, just anything that goes off-road. June 1st, December, end of December. Send me some photos of your finished build, and I'll make a video at the end of everyone's builds. I didn't finish I did finish my part of my build, was the Bronco, the first gen Bronco. This was a lot of fun. I put a lift on it from Fireball Model Works. I added my own body lift. This turned out really cool. Had a lot of fun with it. The top lifts off. Pretty fun kit to build. So I'm going to build the second half of this kit. This is the Bronco half cab with the dune buggy and trailer. So I'm going to build the dune buggy and trailer for this group build. But I'll do an announcement on that, or a intro on that one later, tomorrow or Monday. So yeah, a lot of fun. Like I said, go check out that video. Thanks for everyone that participated last year, and hopefully we get some more this year. Really appreciate the support, and hope everyone's enjoying their weekend, and prayers for those who need them. I know there's we all need prayers, obviously, but I know there is some people that are grieving right now, and we send our condolences and prayers out to them. So with that, hope everyone is doing well, and we'll talk to you all soon. Pat out, model on.